Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am so sorry. I feel like I have not been on here in forever. It's been approximately 2 weeks and life has just been insane. I have been mad busy with work, with school, trying to manage like everything, being a wife, the whole fertility thing. I have so much to let you guys know about, so I will be making a video shortly. I don't know, probably in the next couple of weeks, and filling you guys in on all my adventures lately, which is bananas. But anyway, for those of you who have continued to watch the videos along the way and support my journey while I haven't been on, I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. Before I get started, I just want to send mad love. Thank you guys to everyone who who's here for me. I really appreciate you guys. I hope that everyone's staying healthy, safe. Mad love to you guys. Also, feel free to join La Familia, subscribe to my channel. I post videos here related to beauty, lifestyle, self-care. So if you are new here, bienvenidos. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join La Familia so you can, check us out all the time. All right, anyway, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it.
Given a chance, always thought we would make it this far. I guess the universe is on our side.
Okay guys, I honestly feel like I'm so, I don't know. I'm so out of it. I don't even know how to do a video right now. It's been 2 weeks and I have lost my flow. But today, I am going to be doing the TheraBox for the month of February. Yes, I said it, for the month of February. I came home today and this was at the door. Finally, it is like March 6th at this point. This was supposed to be for February. I do know that TheraBox does ship out their boxes like the 26th and the 3rd through those time frames, like the end of the month. So yeah, I don't know why they send them out so late in the month. I have no idea, but what happened is due to all the weather issues that have been going on around right now, this was very delayed, about a week, and now we're in the month of March. So I will be getting a new box in like 3 weeks, hopefully. So I'm kind of disappointed in the shipping this month, but it is what it is. I can definitely tell it's been through some shit because this box is banged up. I don't know if you guys can even tell on camera, but the whole side is like smashed in. So it is what it is. For those of you who don't know what TheraBox is, it is a monthly self-care subscription box. I usually love TheraBox because this one gives you 6 to 8 full-size products. It's $34.99 a month, and it's basically curated by therapists to kind of give you relaxation products, things about mindfulness, self-care products, and I don't know, it's just like a really self-love, self-care box, which I absolutely love. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's $34.99 a month. They do have different plans if you are interested. If you aren't interested in the box, I will link everything down below. When you open up the box, this is what she looks like. It's the same standard box every single month, and it does come with like a little pamphlet in which it will tell you what it's about. So for this, it looks like the theme for the month of February is or was Amour, A-M-O-U-R, a self-love affair. This is what it looks like. I really like this, and of course, I don't know if you guys do know, but February is also Black History Month, so I think it's really dope that they featured a beautiful Black woman on the cover of this. I just wish it would have got here quicker, but it is what it is. Usually when you open it up, it gives you like a little so it just gives you like a little excerpt about what the box is about. It definitely tells you what the products are in here, what the prices, what they're for, and so we're gonna jump right into opening up this box. I've been talking forever. I'm gonna go ahead and undo this little thing right here, and oh my gosh, what a disaster. This box is just like crazy. All right, it's definitely falling apart, but aside from that, it has all this stuff that I feel like wasn't in here last month. But okay, the first thing that I see right here, it is mind cards. This is from, let's look it up. So it looks like the mind cards for this month is actually the activity. They do send activities a month, which is pretty cool. This is a happiness boosting activity. It is by the brand LSW London. It's little cards, and it says that it's a set of 45 cards teaching you different techniques and habits to bring more calm, happiness, and perspective into your life. They kind of had something similar not too long ago, but it was like these little note cards. So basically, it says you shuffle the 45 cards, ensure that you have all the different categories combined, and each day you select a card and follow the instructions on the card. They have had something similar like this. Like I said, they always have different activities, but this one looked like it has like one on reflection. Let's just say this one has something that says, take 10 undistracted minutes to reflect on the following quote and how it applies to your life in this very moment. And the quote says, remember then, there is only one time that is important, and that is now. It is the most important time because it is the only time when we have any power. So this one is about reflection, which is kind of cool. They have other ones that was about ritual. I'm not sure what that one could entail. Oh, it's actually kind of cool. Like this one says, plant a bulb in a pot in your home, nurture it over the next few weeks until it blossoms, and follow its growth as a symbol of the process of your personal growth, which is really dope. They have journal, which I would only assume that it's something about journaling, and gratitude. Oh, and kindness. Okay, so that is really, really cool. I love the concept of it. Like I said, they did have something earlier, no, maybe even was last year, but it's really cool. I do like this. This does retail at $16. And yeah, I just like that it's supposed to help you just be more mindful with your thoughts. So that's a cool little activity. I will place that to the side. And let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so the next thing in the box is kind of random. I've definitely never received anything like that. It sounds, well, it is a liquid. And this is by the brand Buoy, or Bowie, B-U-O-Y. Is Buoy Plus Immunity. It retails at $12.99. And it says that this is basically something to put in your drink. You know how they have like crystal lights and stuff? That's kind of what it reminds me of. It says you put half a second squeeze or 1/3 teaspoon per drink, and it's supposed to be for 40 servings, 0 sugar, 0 calories, electrolytes, vitamin A, B, C, D, E, zinc, and herbal blend. I don't know, let's smell it. All right, so it doesn't smell that good. I'm just gonna say, yeah, I'm not crazy about the smell. It smells like dog treats. That's not very good. However, they do say that sometimes, usually when things don't smell good, they actually are good for you. So I'm not gonna knock it until I try it. I'm not crazy about the scent, but if you guys have tried this, I would love to hear a little bit about it. Just a little fun fact. So Buoy's, that's how you say, immunity is modeled after the all-natural formula of the World Health Organization's recommendation for rapid rehydration and transforms any drink into a hydrating, immune-boosting one. It basically says that this little 2-ounce squeeze bottle that you're supposed to put in your liquids contains electrolytes of 13 Gatorades without any of the sugars, calories, artificial ingredients, along with clean, functional ingredients, micronutrient dense. Okay, it keeps going. This is supposed to be really good for you. Not crazy about the smell, but I am going to try it anyway. All right, moving on to the next thing in the box here. We have something by Lux Beauty Club. This is a CBD Face Plumper Collagen Cream. Okay, now we're talking. I like this. This one retails at $25. It says that it is a vitamin E collagen cream. It's infused with hemp extract, antioxidants, and primrose oil. It promotes collagen production while diminishing age, spots, and wrinkles. You know what? Say no more. Let's open this up. Okay, so it's kind of just like a regular white serum. Not tacky or anything like that, and it doesn't really smell like anything, which is fine by me. Not that I really need to be putting this over my face right now, but I just kind of wanted to get the overall texture of it. It says that it has like mad vitamins in it and is really supposed to boost up that plumpness and moisture in your face. It's kind of hard to tell, but I'm not mad at it at all because it's not tacky. The smell could smell better. It does have like a distinctive smell. It smells like herbs. So I'm not crazy about the smell now that it's actually setting in. However, I do like the way it makes my skin feel. I guess the only way to really try it out is to continue trying it. So I will definitely be doing that. It says that if you stick to it, it will deliver brilliant long-term results. So we'll see about that. All right, moving on to the next thing that we have in the box here. And this is by the brand Amina Skincare. This is the Watermelon Sugar High Lip Mask. It retails at $14.99. And I love that it's red and glittery because I think the theme is Amour, which is obviously love. And February is a month of love as well. So I kind of like that they did include this. I will say it's kind of like all, you can't see it through the camera, but it's definitely all like mixed around. It kind of looks like it's been tossed around a lot. This smells, it literally smells like a fresh ass watermelon. I am obsessed with the smell. It kind of reminds me of the Glow recipe stuff. So I don't know if you can see, but it does have some glitter. Yeah, you won't be able to see that. Hold on, let me try it anyway. Maybe you might be able to catch it in the camera. Okay, it does definitely have like a little reflux of red glitter. Like I said, it smells absolutely amazing. It has really cool ingredients, which is vegan collagen, aloe vera gel, jojoba, I don't know how you say it, oil, aloe vera juice, vitamin E, watermelon flavor oil, and biodegradable glitter, which is pretty cool. You're supposed to apply an even amount mask to your lips, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, and wash off the mask. So for some reason I thought it was a scrub, but it's not a scrub. It doesn't have the little exfoliating things. It's literally a mask, and it's super pretty. I'm actually really excited about this one. This one is something that I will definitely be using just because the scent alone is amazing. So if I didn't mention it already, it's $14.99. Let's move on to the next thing. What the heck is this? This is pretty cool. All right, so the next thing here, we have something by the brand Love You to the Spoon and Back. Is that the brand? That's not the brand. Hold up. The brand is The Happy Shop. Have I been saying these things backwards? I don't know. But anyway, this is from The Happy Shop. It retails $15 and it says, need a reminder of how much the universe loves you? How about a reminder 3 times a day during delicious meals? This is a stainless steel vintage inspired spoon. That this unique keepsake is lovingly stamped with one of our favorite puns, love you to the spoon and back. I don't understand why this is in here. I like the concept. I think it's mad cute. As you can see, it literally is a freaking spoon, and it does say in there engraved, love you to the spoon and back. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. Hold on. Yeah. I thought it was gonna be for like skincare, like you know how like you can actually put like a spoon in the freezer and like kind of like put it like this. I don't know. That's what I thought it was gonna be for, but this is literally for desserts, coffee, ice cream, soup, cereals, meals. It's a versatile kitchen staple that you can use whenever you want. It says it's just a spoon. It's really cute. I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely different. Nothing that I was expecting in TheraBox, but like I said, it's cute. The packaging is mad cute. It says love yourself to the moon and back, and the packaging is mad cute. This is definitely something different. I wasn't expecting it, but hey, whatever. It is what it is. It retails at $15. Let's move on to the next thing in the box. Okay, the next thing that we have here in the box is something by the brand Skin&Co Roma. This is the face toner. I will say this. I actually do own this already, so I'm not gonna be opening it. It is a very light serum. It smells phenomenal. It's like a coconut smell. It just smells so good. I'm gonna keep this out because I'm probably putting this in a future giveaway, so stay tuned because I will be doing a 3K giveaway, which will be coming up hopefully very soon. But anyway, aside from the point, I really do love that brand. It is made in Italy. Like, let me see if I can find some fun facts in here. It's all natural, eco-friendly formulas. Everything that they have just smells mad fresh. And honestly, I do love it. Any single time that I have opportunity to kind of get something from them, I do take advantage of it, like on FabFitFun or anything like that. I do that. This one is supposed to help you remove impurities, clog pores, and dead skin cells, and just basically help your skin. And I will vouch for this. I do like this brand, and it smells amazing. And you know, if it smells good, then I'm probably gonna like it. If it doesn't smell good, I don't really know. But anyway, I do love that one. If I didn't tell you guys already, this one retails at $30. What is this? Okay, this is the last thing in the box from what it looks like. This is from the brand Vitamesks. It's a cool packaging. It's called the Gemstone Face Mask Bundle. Oh, it's face mask. Okay, now we're talking. All right, this one retails at 30 plus. It says $30 plus. I don't know why, but anyway, it says that this is a sheet mask collection with jade, citrine, sapphire, and ruby. It's made with real gemstone powder, plant extracts to enhance your well-being and skin. Damn, it's a 4-in-1. Gemstone therapy, aromatherapy, skin therapy, and color therapy. This is pretty freaking dope. And this is one of the things that I do like about TheraBox, because they literally think outside the box. They're kind of making you be more mindful, try different things, you know, daily affirmations, just things that are making you gonna feel good. Like this thing, like although I'm not crazy about the smell, it's a cool idea because you don't see that in other boxes. This is a Korean face mask, which it looks like. Oh, cool. So it comes with your 4 little masks. One is supposed to help you balance mind and smooth skin. Wow. The next one is supposed to be happy minds and nourishing your skin. The next one is relaxing your mind and hydrating your skin. And the last one is recharging your mind and restoring your skin. I love face masks. I really like that they did include these in here. This is definitely a cool and different box, guys. I'm going to go ahead and add everything from the box just to kind of give you guys an idea of how much the price is. So I'll be right back. Wait! Hold on! As I was looking at this, I realized that there's one more thing in the box, and it was literally in all this freaking disaster of a mess. Damn, TheraBox. But yeah, it was in this. So let's open it. Hold on. Duh. It looks like it is a lipstick. It's by the brand Laritzi. It's a cream lipstick. The shades may vary, so everyone will probably get a different shade. Ooh, fancy. Okay, it's a little black container, like a little black thing case. A glossy looking. I don't even know why I just smelled that, but it smells like coconut though. Ooh, okay, this is pretty. I don't know if you can see that. This is in the shade Dusty Rose. Oh my god, so funny. I was just telling my husband earlier that one of my favorite colors is like pinkish, but like mauvey, Dusty Rose, blush kind of color. And this is the color that I just got. So how cool is that? That's absolutely beautiful. I'm really, really excited, and I'm glad I looked at the prices, or else I would have totally missed that one. It retails at $20, and it's just something cool for you to know. Fun fact is that it's cruelty-free, vegan-free, and made with the highest quality, skin-loving ingredients that moisturizes and helps condition your skin. I will say that little swatch was mad buttery and moisturizing, so I can only imagine what it does on your lips. I'm like, okay, now that was like the cherry, the icing on the cake, that little find. That lipstick was so freaking cute. Now let's go ahead and add these things up. Alright guys, so I just finished adding up all the 8 items in this box, which is pretty cool because usually 6 to 8, and they say that it retails at least $125. Well, this one definitely surpassed that because we did have 8 items, and it retails, the whole MSRP is $163.98. That is really cool. Now, I will say there's a couple of like things for me. Like I said, like this one I probably have done without. I love the cards so much. I think it's a cool activity. I wish they, you know what? I take that back. I really do like them because the other cards that we have work slightly different. But I just love that they do the whole activities for self-care. Guys, the masks are awesome. The sleep mask, this was a little confusing. However, it is what it is. It's pretty freaking cool. I'm not even going to complain about this box. Oh, and duh, the toner. This brand is awesome, by the way. So I'm really happy with this box, actually. Like I said, I think that TheraBox is a really cool box. Only thing that I have to say about it is that I do wish that they shipped it earlier in the month. That way you can actually enjoy it in the actual month. Because at this point, I'm already waiting for March's box. So I'm sorry that this one is late, but it is not my fault. And I do love the box, and I do appreciate Amour. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, for sticking this out. I feel like I've been talking a million miles a minute. My life has been bananas. My mind just feels bananas. But I love you guys, and I appreciate your support. If you have any recommendations for future videos, definitely drop them down below. If you're interested in TheraBox, I will leave it down in the description box. So until next time, my friends, muchísimas gracias, and ciao.